guys, Mom's Kill Amazing Me. Today we'll be unboxing the Funko Pop of King Dice from Cuphead. I'm sorry, I got a notification. So here's King Dice. So King Dice is the devil's friend, or his slave, or his minion, basically. Minion, not minion like the banana. I mean minions like your friends or people that help you. Sort of like the Nazis. Crap, I'm not German. I'm not German. Well, I'm half German. Don't make fun of me. Here is here. Oh, it has two. It has two. Do you guys see? It has two. 1, 2. There's. Oh yeah, you want to see his King Dice? Okay, here's his face. Pac-Man eyes, his eyebrows, his nose, his mouth. You know what's cool? Here's his 4, 6. Here's the back. Here's the head, or like the top. It's 5. Here's the side, 3, and the down it says 2, as y'all know. 2, it says 2. Okay, do you see? Yeah. So King Dice. So he's a really popular character. He also has a song. If you listen to King Dice's theme song from Cuphead, you can listen to that. So it's really cool. So yeah, King Dice is a really popular character in the game. So yeah, I do Funko Pop more Funko Pop reviews because I'm planning on buying a lot. Oh, here's a stand I can do. Here's a stand. Oh shoot, there it is. Okay, so yep. Bye guys. Subscribe, like, turn on notifications. Peace, guys.